Hi, I'm John from Model Makers Inc. in Rockaway, New Jersey, and I'm going to talk a little bit about fixturing, which is a very important and very broad subject. It can be as simple as eating an apple. If you think of your hand as the fixture and your teeth as the tool, well, that's an example of fixturing. Fixturing is anything where you hold your part in order to apply a tool to it. And we're going to work with this vacuum forming, which we made in a previous video, and we're going to take it a couple steps further on its way to becoming this finished part. And this is how we're going to do that with our CNC router. What I did was program these two holes, the geometry for that slot in those two holes, and also for this crosscut. I'm going to put that on the fixture, that was specially made to fit the inside of the vacuum forming. Staple it on. And this is a little tricky fixture because it's going to do operations in two different positions. And normally I wouldn't hold this with my hand, but for purposes of the video, that's what I'm going to do. Your hand is the best fixture in the world, but there are certain things you don't want to get too close to because it's dangerous. But also there are certain things you can't possibly hold tight enough or still enough. For a powerful machine like a CNC router like this, you have to clamp or in some way hold the part tighter than you can with your hand. So I hope this, when people talk about fixturing, this gives you the idea of what they're talking about. This is a simple three-axis CNC machine. Even with a 5-axis machine, you still have to have a way to hold the part.